Okay, this is my 1991 Honda Accord. I have a no start problem on it. I've been told it was the computer. I swapped that out and nothing. It still ran just the way it did. Now, my no spark is, it comes and goes. Sometimes it'll start up, sometimes it won't. We just tried to start it a while ago and it started up fine. We're fixing to start it up again and see what happens. Start it. Okay, now see it runs. Alright, let's try something. Make sure it's in neutral. Alright, let me get in there. And as you hear, that's where it's idling at. Put the hood down. Put the hood down. Put the hood down. We're going to take it for a little drive. Go ahead and get in. Get in. Just hold the phone and everything. Just kind of like hold it up the front windshield like that or something while I'm talking. Or if you want, aiming at the dash. Okay, what we're going to do, we'll take it for a little ride. See how long it runs. This way I can see my intermittent problem when it stalls off, then it's hard to get it started back up. Did it just stop?
No, it's not.
Well, the car just stopped. Okay, it just died. Alright people, this is its intermediate problem. It just died right here. Now, we're going to turn the lights off. I'm going to try to start it. See, nothing now. And each time it does this, my clock there always resets. I don't know why. And then it'll do this. See as it does nothing. Alright, well, give me guys feedback. Thanks.